Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the latest coin hunt. This is an animal coin hunt that I have designated Animal Coin Hunt 16. First coin that we have has Her Majesty the Queen on it. It also has the year and the country. The country is New Zealand, the year is 1978. It is a 20-cent coin. On the reverse we have the one of the national symbols of New Zealand, which is the kiwi. We have the value of the coin and we have the white fern in the background beyond the kiwi, the white fern being here, the kiwi, and then the value. The mintage for this coin is 2,538,000. Oh, here we go, there's my next one. Papua New Guinea. It is a 2T value coin. Sorry, let's bring it back into there for you to look at. It is a 2T, is the valuation of the coin. It's from 1996. On this side you'll see a bird of paradise and a double-ended like a branch with the two ends cut off. It is from 1996. On the reverse you have, there you go, you've got the bird of paradise there with a value of 2 cents. There is not a mintage available for this coin. Next we have two 5 forint coins. There we go, the 5 forint, and we have the reverse of it there. Let's bring it back down into the area where you can see it. There we go. The 5 forint is a Hungarian coin. The two I have here are from 2016 and 2007. On the obverse you have the valuation only, and then on the reverse you have the country's name, you have the year, and you have the bird, which is a great white egret. For 2007 coin the mintage is 33,008,000. For the 2016 coin it is the 28,002,510. Now the one thing I didn't quite show you on this coin, or didn't mention when I showed it you, is on there, that's actual reverse, is a scorpion or lionfish. These are particularly nasty little animals. They have a job to do in the sea, but all the spines, if you tread on one you'll certainly know about it because it is poisonous. It is not recommended. It will be extremely painful. So beware of the scorpion or lionfish. Next one is Bulgaria. It is a 2 stonky coin. Stotniki coin from 2000. That's S-T-O-T-I-N-K-I. You have the value of it, plus you have some stars that represent the European stars, European states. This one is from 2000. On the other side we have a horseman. It's a Madriak horseman, and that's M-A-D-I-A-R-A. There's no mintage for this coin. There you go, there's the Madrid horseman. There is an animal on there at the bottom, but I'm not quite sure what the animal is. And this one is a 5 stonky coin. Excuse me a second. Oh, damn hay fever. I hope you'll excuse me. The year for this 5 stonky coin is also the year 2000. You have the stars and the 12 stars of Europe plus the 5 stonky valuation, and on the reverse again you have the Madria horseman and the country name, and I can't quite make out what the little animal at the bottom here is. And there's when I looked at the description, there was nothing to say what that particular animal was. There is no mintage figures for this 5 Stonky coin, Stotniki coin. This next one has the Queen's portrait on. It is from Bermuda. It is a 25-cent coin from the year 1970. On the back we have the valuation going around the top, the year at the bottom, and the bird that's in flight is a white-tailed topa. That's T-O-P-A. The mintage figures for this coin is 1,500,000. This coin looks like a 50p but isn't. This is a coin from the Gambia. It's one Dalasi from 1998. On the front here you have the coat of arms of Gambia. You also have the country's name going around the outside, and you have the date of the year at the bottom, which is 1998. On the reverse we have a slender snouted crocodile with the valuation also on this side saying Dalasi, and then there's some African or Arabic type writing. So it's a slender snouted crocodile. Even though it is a slender snouted crocodile, I don't think I'd like to meet it down a dark alley when it's hungry. And having arthritis in my knees and my hips, I'm not sure I could outrun it. So nah, not something I'd like to meet on a dark cold night. Next we have 2 coins of exactly the same value. These are the 2 drachmae from 1973, both of them. It's a coin from Greece. On the obverse side you have the phoenix rising. You also have the year and the country. On the obverse side you have an owl with a mechanical owl with the 2 drachma valuation. This mechanical owl is Athena's owl, the goddess Athena, her owl from mythology. This particular coin from 1973 has a mintage of 51,163,812. This coin is just slightly, this is a different coin altogether. We have on this side, if we get it up the right way, you have a Greek coin from 1912. Its valuation is 5 lapta. That's L-A-P-T-A. On the obverse here you have the year, the Greek crown, and the monarch at that time was George the First of Greece. This coin was the only year that this coin was minted. On the back, or on the reverse, you have Athena's owl and a Greek urn. This 1912 coin was the only year that this particular coin was minted, and it has a mintage of 25,053,000. Right, the next coin that we have is South Africa. No, that's the way up. It's a South African coin. It's a 2 rand from 1989. On the front here we have the coat of arms, we have the year, and around the outside is the name of the country. On the reverse, which is why we've got it in this hunt, is the value of the coin, which is £2, and we have an antelope, which is the Greater Kudu. That's K-U-D-A. Sorry, K-U-D-U. Greater Kudu. Next coin we have is from Uganda. Uganda, in my memory, was 1974, with Idi Amin chasing out the Asian population that's worked in Uganda, and a lot of them coming across the UK, and they settled in the East Midlands and some in mainly around the Leicester area, if I remember rightly. It was a terrible time for those people, and they lost an awful lot of stuff. They lost their businesses, their money. It was a terrible time for them, but they've managed to, managed to look after themselves and get a lot of them set up their own businesses again. And I have nothing but I can't think of anything but the fact they've helped the economy no end, and I'm happy that they're here. On the front here we have the coat of arms of the country and the value of the coin, which is 200 shillings. It's from 2015. On the reverse we have the value of the year, the country, and the fish, which is a chillid or chitolid fish, which is C-I-C-H-L-I-D. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but I think it is called a chillid fish. Right, the next one is one that I quite like. It's an old style, large size 10p from 1982 from the Isle of Man. On this side you have the Queen, the country, and the year, and the tiara is the Girls of Great Britain crown, Girls of Great Britain and Ireland crown that she's wearing. And on the reverse we have the valuation, which is down here, and we have the value, and the bird in the centre is a peregrine falcon, one of the fastest birds in the world in a dive. They are renowned for catching pigeons in flight. I wish they would do some damage to the pigeons that we have in some of our city centres. This next coin is a bimetallic coin. It's a 500 pesos coin from Colombia. On this side we have the year, the value, and the country. The year is 2015. It's 500 pesos, Colombia. On the reverse, the animal, oops, excuse me, is a glass frog. The mintage for this coin is 184,640,000. The next coin is a Belgian coin. On this side is a £1 coin from 1939. We have the country, the heraldic shields times 3. Then on the reverse we have the value plus the lion. It also has a year on there. The year is 1939, which is the first year of the Second World War, of course, and the mintage for this coin is 46,865,000. Next we have a coin, there we go, from Malta. It is a 10-cent coin from 1986. On this side we have a coat of arms, we have the country and the year. On the reverse we have the value of 10 cents and the dolphin fish. The mintage for this Malta coin from 1986, 10 cents in value, is 4,188,000. And for the last three, we have from Iceland, our friend Bagassi the Giant. Look, I love seeing him on the coins because I know we're going to have some fun with this. This is a 1994 coin, as can be read on the bottom here. On the other side we have the value, which is 1 krona, and we also have the cod, which is a very enjoyable fish to eat. The mintage for this coin from 1994 is 5 million. Next one's a little bit cheeky, as I say. Not the Queen, of course. She's enjoying her Jubilee at the moment, so let's not get nasty about that at all. She doesn't deserve it. We have the Queen, the country and the year. The year is 2005. The country is Gibraltar, and when we turn it over we have the Barbary ape on a small 5p coin. The Barbary ape is also known as a macaque or a rock ape. We do not have a mintage for this year and this coin. And the final coin of our hunt today is from Malta. On this particular side we have the name of the country, we also have the coat of arms, and we have the year of 2001. On the rear of the coin we have the 5 cent value, and we have a picture of a freshwater crab. For this 2001 coin there is no mintage figures available. I do apologise for the snuffles, but I've got hay fever catarrh. It's driving me nuts. Right, I finished the review of the coins of this hunt. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give me the thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I am trying to grow my channel this year, as I've mentioned on numerous occasions. So if you do take the time to give me a like and also subscribe, thank you very much. I am looking to try and get at least a minimum of 100 by Christmas this year. So for those of you who want to join and follow me through my rest of my journey through coins and banknotes, I would love to have you along as a subscriber. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you buying coins, I hope you can get coins at the price that you want to pay. Thank you very much for watching. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy over the next week. And from me, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you for watching, and bye bye for now. Ta-ra!